Yaga yo, it's Bron Biker, we're outside again, and in today's video we're going to be teaching you guys how to master the art of slow control, aka slow ride. If you're new to the channel, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this. Okay, so slow control is about getting the bike to move at just past walking pace under full control. So usually we use this technique when we're, maybe doing right turns, left turns, going around roundabouts, and generally in slow moving traffic. When you're doing your CBT or your Mod 1, you're going to want to be using this technique when we're doing the U-turn and the figure of 8 and just general slow riding round. All right, so the three things that you need to think about is the clutch, the rear brake, and the throttle. I hope that makes sense to you. So with the clutch, we always want to make sure that the clutch is just past slipping point. So you don't want the clutch all the way open and you don't want the clutch all the way shut, because if the clutch is all the way shut, you're going to lose your speed, and if you lose your speed, you're going to lose your balance. If you lose your balance, the chances are you're going to put your foot down or the bike's going to topple over. So I hope that makes sense. And I need you to think about the speed, what you're moving at as well, because if you're going less than walking pace, what's going to happen is, again, you're going to lose your balance. All right, so just past walking pace is going to keep the bike moving and upright. When we're doing the slow control, always make sure that we've got our head nicely facing in the direction we're going. If you look down on the ground, where do you think the bike's going to go? Okay, so throttle wise, we always want to keep the power on. So we don't want to keep the power completely on, like all the way open. However, we want to keep it so there's just enough power. They normally say at around 6,000 RPM. All right, but the main thing what you got to think about, guys, is if you got the clutch slightly slipped, right, it doesn't matter how much power you put on. Even if you put too much on, the bike's not going to go anywhere, if that makes sense to you. All right, so we want to keep the power in one place. Okay, keep the clutch. So once the throttle's in one place, right, we're going to be using the clutch and the rear brake to control the speed. Okay, but mainly, if you want to keep it easier, mainly focus on using that rear brake to control the speed. But I still need you to make sure that that clutch is slipped. Okay, so if it all fails, the bike's still not going to go anywhere, especially if you're doing a right turn. All right, because when you're doing a right turn, what normally happens is that the power comes on. Make sense? So with the rear brake, what we want to be doing is dragging the rear brake. Now, it's not going to smash your bike up to pieces, guys. Okay, it might put a bit more wear on your back brake as usual, but this will keep you safe, this will keep you more controlled, and I hope that makes sense. All done. So, starting the bike up, we're going to put the bike in first gear. Okay, so when we are using the rear brake here, so we're going to put the rear brake on, but not all the way down. All right, so when we put the rear brake on now, what's going to happen now is the bike is going to be slow, right? Okay, so if the bike's slow, what we want to be doing is tiny little increments up and down, tiny little increments on and off with that back brake, and I hope that makes sense to you. So if you're going a little bit too fast, you squeeze that little brake, that rear brake, ever so slightly. If you're going a bit too slow, then you just gently ease off it ever so slightly, but you always keep it on. So essentially your rear brake should be on at all times. I hope that makes sense. So let's give it a try. And we're just past walking pace. The clutch is slipped, so if I hold the clutch, the bike's not going anywhere. Now I want you to pay attention to when you start turning right now. Listen to what happens a lot of the times. See the revs go up because your hands are turning right. So let's just imagine that you wasn't out on the, let's just imagine that you was out on the road and you wasn't using that clutch control and you're turning right. See that? See that? But guess what? The bike's not going anywhere because that clutch is under control. Power's kept on. Power's kept on. The clutch is slipped. And look, if I saw that power, see that? Look look at the clutch. The clutch is still slipped, so look. Bike's not going anywhere. Yeah. And you'll be using this when you're doing figure of 8. And what we're trying to pay attention to is that bike losing control. Not really fussed if the revs go right the way up. You get me? As long as we know that you're implementing clutch control. And that's what it's all about. Hurts your hands after a while. When you're trying to teach this, always make sure you try and give them loads of breaks. Give them rest, because your right arm will start going crazy. Okay, so let me show you what happens if we're not using that. In fact, do I even want to do that? Is it even safe? See, look, the clutch is all the way open, and it's not so bad doing left turns, but it still makes it really jumpy. See what I mean? So that clutch control is really, really important, guys. So anyway, this bike doesn't like sitting there doing slow speeds. So let's just do one little right turn from here to put it into reality. Because look at that car there. So we're going to drag that rear brake and use that clutch control coming out of here, because we don't want to go straight into that car. See that? Nice and controlled. Okay, so that's the end of that video today. It was one of my subscribers that asked a question if I could try and help to break down that slow control for him. I hope that helped you, bro. What's his name? Cutting Shanks, something like that, I can't remember. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it helps. Share it with someone that needs it. Subscribe, leave a comment. We out.